Hi everyone, welcome to Cricut UK, and boy have I got an announcement for you this February 2026. Today I'm going to be introducing you to two brand new machines, the Cricut Joy 2 and the Explore 5. Both have been designed to make creating feel easier, faster and way more accessible. So whether you love compact crafting or full-size projects, I'm going to walk you through what's new, what's changed and what machine might be right for you. Let's start with Joy 2, and it's all about the compact crafting with this one. It has a 4.5-inch cutting space, which makes it ideal for shorter and quick projects like cards, labels and personalised gifts. Even though it's compact, it's extremely versatile. Joy 2 works with 4 different tools, so you're not only just cutting, you can foil, draw, and you can score too, which means you can really level up your project straight out of the box. It also cuts over 75 materials, which makes for great everyday crafting. But honestly, the feature I am most excited about with this machine is print and cut. Joy 2 now includes a print and cut sensor, so you can design your designs, print them, and then cut around them using this tiny little machine. It opens up so many more creative possibilities, whether you're making stickers, labels, or just full personalised makes. Now, if Joy 2 was created for compact crafting, Explore 5 is definitely made for makers who want to go bigger. Explore 5 is a full-size 12-inch width cutting machine, giving you plenty of space for those larger projects. It's compatible with 6 different tools, so it gives you more versatility when cutting, drawing, scoring or foiling. It can cut over 100 different materials, so whether you're cutting vinyl, cardstock or something a little bit more advanced, there's plenty of creative freedom. One of the biggest changes with Explore 5 is that it is 30% smaller than its predecessor. So you're getting that full-size performance, but it fits more comfortably into your craft space. You'll also notice some new features like the snap-in pen loading and also the load and go function, which just makes getting started feel even more seamless. And seamless means less setup and more crafting. And overall, it feels like a machine that's been designed to help you make more in less time. So both Joy 2 and Explore 5 are going to come in multiple bundle configurations, which is great whether you're looking to go brand new or upgrade. So let's start with the Essential bundle, because honestly, you get so much more straight out of the box now. Tools, materials, everything you need to actually start making straight away, which is perfect if you're new. Now let's talk about where the Joy 2 really levels up. For the first time, you've got print then cut, so you can print designs at home, let the machine cut them out perfectly. Think stickers, labels, gift tags. It just opens up loads more creative options without adding complexity. And if that wasn't enough and you love card making, the scoring tool is such a game changer too. It gives you a clean, precise fold for your projects to give you an instantly more polished feel. What I really like is that you can start with super simple vinyl projects and then naturally grow into more detailed projects as your confidence builds. And that's where the Joy 2 really surprises people, because even though it's compact, it doesn't limit your creativity. You can move from quick everyday makes into more layered designs, personalised gifts, or even a small business idea without needing a huge setup. It's ideal if you're short on space but still want professional looking results, and because everything feels so guided from the start, you spend less time figuring out things and more time actually creating. Joy 2 is just one of those machines that makes crafting feel so much more approachable. Now moving on to the Explore 5 Essential bundle, and again you're getting so much more to help you start making straight away. Materials, tools and everything designed to make that first project feel really achievable. The Explore 5 is your full-size machine, so you've got that larger 12-inch cutting width and compatibility with more tools, which means the variety in the projects that you can create is endless. It cuts over 100 materials from everyday vinyl, cardstock, right through to more advanced makes. So whether you're crafting for fun, making home decor or growing that small business, it's designed to keep up with you. One of the biggest things you'll notice is how streamlined the experience now feels. It's more compact than the previous models, it's quicker to get set up and really focused on helping new users feel confident from the very start. So if you're someone who wants the flexibility and room to grow, this is the machine that will give you that extra creative space. So whether you're drawn to the ultra-compact Joy 2 or the full-size versatility of Explore 5, both machines are designed to make creating feel simple, guided and genuinely fun from the very first project. There's been a real focus on getting you started straight out of the box, meaning setup feels easier, smoother, and you can get creating without feeling overwhelmed. Both machines are designed to make creativity more accessible than ever. I am so excited to see what you will all be making with them soon, and I cannot wait to be sharing more projects with these two brand new machines. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon.